Alright, just got into the American Royal. So far so good. We've had some good luck. Found a cab within like 2 seconds. Allison got a free ticket. Woo! Alright, now we're trying to find the Cerner tent. Not really sure where it is. We're
Texas Dan.
We're just kind of winging it. Look at the Texas guy.
It's all hat, no cattle.
That's one huge dude. These guys over here, barbecuing for boobies. Alright, American Royal. Woo! We got a band here tonight. We're at the Cerner party. We don't know anybody. We have no idea who's here.
But we're here for the free beer.
Free beer. Woo! Cheers. Cheers. At this point, it's gotten a little crazy. I don't really know what's going on in here. Creepy McCreeperson. Whiskey, or you're handing out like
dance and beer and food and all that?
Scott is owning that brochure. Why?
It's gone.
It's gone. The brochure is gone.
Hate that.
Pilot log 11:30. No idea where I am. No idea where any of my friends are. Yeah. Frankly, there's no rhyme or method set up. It's just party after party. I'm a little confused. Fireworks. No idea what's going on. When we got here, by the way, Miss Lindsay Sarens told us, oh, we're by the bridge. Which, if you don't know, the bridge is like 3 miles long, and it goes that way, and that way. Now we're just enjoying some fireworks. Fun ride! There's the train. I think this is the finale. So, if you don't know, where we're at is a place called In the Middle. And in the middle means pink in the middle. Put 2 to 2 together. And pink in the middle, kind of vulgar. Kind of big deal. So we're contemplating tent. Should we get a tent next year? We don't really know.
Cost that much. Maybe $100 per spot. You get 3 spots, $300.
If we get a tent, we could have. I don't see
maybe $1,000. Maybe $1,000.
We could have midgets and
we'd hire some midgets. Call it $1,200.
flamethrowers.
Maybe a band. Call it $3 grand.
Maybe a band.
And some flames. $4 grand divided by 5.
You gotta have entertainment. Entertainment is
Call it $5,000 divided by 10. It'd be $500.
Not that much. If you're in,
that many friends.
we're stopping right now because Allison's feet hurt.
And because Vanilla Ice is playing.
I want a video. And honestly, we've had a good night. A little pink.
Pink in the middle.
And some red.
Yeah.
Hanging out. Hanging out.
And Vanilla Ice.
Vanilla Ice. Pretty cool dude. Beachfront Avenue.
Yes, we live together. 3 doors. We're right here.
bullshit, dude. We cannot get out of here soon enough. This guy goes, this is the best place to hang out. I'm like, dump your beer and we'll go. And Allison's about to dump her beer and he goes, not on my guitar. Splash all over his guitar.
Oh shit.
And he like dives for it.
Allie, wow.
There was no guitar.
Yes, you see him pick up his guitar.
God is fabricating
Beer on head.
story.
Beer on head. 1:43 a.m. We're hungry.
Chubbies.
Chubbies.
Chubby muffin.
Chubby. Woo! We're gonna have a cinnamon roll and a chubby muffin.
Yep.
And maybe some eggs.
Allison's
Maybe,
fingers hurt.
maybe some ham.
No, my feet hurt.
Allison's feet hurt.
Allison's feet hurt.
And now her fingers are gonna hurt because she just
full landscaping duty.
She just full landscaping duty.
Yep.
Right.
Chubby muffin coming. We're getting some late night food. Just hanging out. We're at Chubby's.
So good.
Chubby's has.
I could do an
Chubby's is a special place. Chubby's is the place that you come to at 3 a.m.
Can I get you guys something to drink while you're waiting on Carla?
You know, I think water is good. Water's great.
Okay.
Chubby's is a place where you can come to at 3 a.m. and everybody's here. I'm ready to order. Here's what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna order